Hello student, welcome to MBTI class 8 Civics and topic Understanding Law. Law is a very important for the every countries because you have seen the many members, different type of member use the power and to harassment of the different peoples lowest caste. So law is a very important. So when the member of our constitution assemblies were agreed, they should be no arbitrary exercise of power in India because the we have seen there several institution progress in the in the constitution. In the constitution, this should be established of law. It is most important. It is most important that all persons in independent India are equal before the law. मतलब it means कि that when the law is a follow every person of the India, no person can the above the law. कोई भी इससे बड़ा नहीं है. It we have says that the law cannot discriminate. हम देखते हैं कि जो डिस्क्रिमिनेट है मतलब भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेट मतलब भेदभाव, कि the law cannot discriminate between person according his caste, reasons, gender and etc. कि हमारा जो constitutions are not too different for the different peoples. Also that we have says the rule of the law means that law are equal for all the citizen for the country. No can be above. हमारे जो लॉ से ऊपर कोई भी नहीं है, चाहे वो प्रेसिडेंट हो, ठीक है, एमपीज हो, रिच पर्सन्स हो, हाई अथॉरिटीज पीपुल्स हो, तो नो आर अबव द लॉ आल्सो. बट वी हैव सीन एंड which persons are break the law get the punishment according to his constitution या according to law. अगर कोई भी कानून तोड़ता है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी give the punishment, उसे पनिशमेंट दिया जाएगा. And we have seen the historical times कि always happened this, ऐसा होता था. तो we have seen that some communities are enjoy the powers. We have seen that the two persons are punishment, but the lowest caste are harshly punishment. But when the colonial rule are established, their situation change. But we have seen the two type of rule law of British government. एक तो arbitrary and secondary the our nationalists are protect the law. So we have seen also, and the Sedition Act of 1817. Sedition Act means which person are involved in the against the activity which related to the British government. So the British government British police are arrested these persons without any trial. So the Indian national are protest of this law, and 19th century the law was destroyed, से समाप्त कर दिया गया. Also, thank you.